So John from North Carolina has never owned a Harley Davidson before in his life. So not only did he win it, but he won one of the baddest bikes out there, a 2003 Springer Heritage Classic. And this is the story of John winning and him coming from North Carolina all the way to North Jersey to pick it up.
Hello,
Hi, is Angela there?
this is she.
How you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you?
So this is John. So I am Cycle Fanatic. So you are the winner of the bike.
Oh, thank you so much. God, he's not gonna believe this. I can't believe it. It's
So
a
listen, does he know?
blessing. No, he doesn't know.
So how are we going to do this to surprise him? Is this for him?
Yes, well, he actually knows I did enter, so I mean that's fine. There's no way I can surprise. I'm just glad to tell him because he's gonna flip out. He will flip out.
Okay, so how about this? How about I call back in an hour? How's that? Would that work?
That's great. That's great. That's correct. And oh God, we love your show. We watch it all the time.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. I'll put the speaker on loud. Is your husband there?
Yeah, just a minute. Here he is.
Hello?
You know who this is?
Uh-uh.
Well, this is John from Cycle Fanatics. You won the bike.
Oh my God! Yes. Holy freaking! You're kidding.
No, I'm not kidding you.
Oh, yeah. Oh my freaking God!
Yeah, you won the bike. I talked to your wife. Probably about an hour and a half ago, and we wanted to surprise you, and you won the bike.
God.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I ain't never won nothing.
Good for you. I'm so happy.
When we're watching TV, when he's not working
I look for your videos every week.
every day.
yeah, every day.
Oh, I appreciate that. Well, listen, I'm more than happy to give this bike to you, and all I want to know is when are you coming down to pick it up?
We appreciate you.
We
God
appreciate
bless
you.
you.
Yeah.
Love you guys. All right, so what we'll do is we'll figure out something this weekend, and if you guys could pick it up Monday or Tuesday, we'll make a video about it, and I'm just happy. I'm happy it's going to the right people.
Yeah, I've been working hard to get me a motorcycle. Yeah.
So you don't have nothing now?
No, I was on disability. I'm on disability, and I just now started working back at Walmart so I can save up some money and get me a bike.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
God is good. God is good.
I've been doing demo days, going riding heritage, riding road kings. Been trying to get my credit right so I could get me one.
And the money.
Well, you got John. You got one.
All right.
Hey, but not only that, you got honestly probably the baddest Springers that you could possibly have.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, guys. I'm so happy for you guys.
Thank you.
Okay, buddy. Bye-bye.
That's freaking awesome.
Love you. All right, brother.
Love you, bud.
Okay, buddy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. All right. The winner. Where's the key? The winner of the Springer is here from North Carolina. I got to move my daughter's car. Came with a truck and trailer. I'm going to introduce you. So who's the winner?
Me,
Holy cow. How you doing, man?
Hey, man.
Good for you.
I can't believe it.
What's your name?
Finally get to meet
John, right?
John, yeah.
John.
John Sanford.
John Sanford. So where you
John
from?
L. Period Sanford.
Where you from? Where you from?
Lincoln, North Carolina.
Oh, that's awesome, man. Congratulations. How does it look?
It looks great.
Doesn't
It's
it?
freaking
Oh,
awesome.
and you're a Steelers fan.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Looks good, right?
Oh, man, it's awesome.
Actually,
Good
he's
God.
good. He's good leaving it there if he wants.
You good
Yeah.
right there?
Yeah, you're good there. All right. Man, thanks for coming down. When did you come?
We come early this morning. We got here by 8.
Oh, 8 o'clock?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So you drove all night?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, did you get any sleep?
It took us 10 hours.
10 hours, yeah, like I told you, right?
We're west.
Did you get any sleep?
Yeah. I did for a few hours.
Oh,
He
good.
did.
Oh, no?
He
Oh,
got a
my
few
God.
hours when we got to the motel.
Who's that, your brother, you said?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
So how does it look?
It's awesome.
Isn't it
man.
beautiful?
It's freaking badass.
So you got the rear passenger pegs,
Yeah.
shifter. Why? Let me see. I don't know why I have that extra one, but you have an extra one. And you have the seat. It's a brand new Saddleman seat. And this bar I have to put on for you right now, which I'm going to do.
That's
because-
the seat that I was going to get whenever I got my
Oh, really?
motorcycle. Yeah.
Oh, man. That is cool.
Yeah,
So that's crazy. You bought some tickets, and so did your wife.
uh-huh.
That's crazy.
She said she would. She hates she couldn't come, but she
that's okay.
She
That's
fell in the kitchen. It was raining real hard.
Oh, no
and
kidding.
She
She
was
hurt
outside
herself?
smoking
Yeah.
and come in and she fell.
Slipped?
Slipped and landed on the bar.
Oh, really?
Cracked a rib.
Oh,
So
geez. Sorry to
she
hear
couldn't
that. Okay.
Yeah.
What do you think, man? Nice, right? Isn't she
Man,
clean?
Awesome. Awesome.
Oh, there you go. There you
It's
go.
just a little high.
It's a little high?
A couple more inches down.
Hey, it's your bike. You do what you want.
I believe you might be all right like that if you just, practiced with it a little bit.
I don't know. It's still a little
'Cause
high.
I think they're easier to handle when they're up high.
It is.
'Cause I got 14s
Yeah.
on mine.
Maybe not for me.
It is. Yeah, but there might be some bars that are more comfortable for you. Absolutely.
That is nice. So.
Super nice.
It's in neutral. Go ahead. Start her up. Right there. Yep. And now the other one. Now Does that sound good? Oh, that's nice. What's that?
Y'all got helmet laws?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we definitely got. Yep. I got you.
I love them cables. If I put 10 inch, I'll still be able to keep them cables up.
I think so. I don't think you'll have a problem. Yeah. But yeah, these are all clear braided lines. You did a really nice
Awesome.
job.
Golly.
Isn't it beautiful?
I love
I'm
it.
telling you, it sounds so.
Since I was-
Wait until you're riding it in North Carolina through the mountains. Oh my God,
I always
you're gonna be
wanted-
rumbling down the road.
Yeah.
I've always wanted a Harley since I was young, and it's like a lifelong goal for me.
Oh really? Oh man, that's awesome. So is this your first Harley?
Yeah.
No kidding. Oh
It's
my
my
God.
first street bike.
Welcome to the club.
It's
Welcome
my first
to the
street
club.
bike.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've rode dirt bikes all my life. But,
Right.
Yeah, when he told me he won that thing, I was like, ain't no way.
I know, your wife couldn't believe it, and then what happened was you were at home, so I'm like, who's the bike for? And she's like, my husband. So I'm like, he's not home? She's like, no. So I'm like, when's he gonna be home? Oh, in an hour. I said, let me go take a shower. I'll call you guys back. And that's when I called.
Oh, I was so surprised too. After I got off the phone with you, I was
Yeah?
running around the house.
So one thing,
Waking the neighbors up.
he's so happy. That's awesome. So one thing, John, another thing is, hang on. I don't know if you've seen the video, but hang on, let me get the paper here. If you guess the correct horsepower and the torque,
I'm ready.
He was,
all right?
I'm ready.
If you guess the correct horse,
Exactly.
exactly. Sorry, that's already a nice prize. If you want to get this, you got to hit it. I know it's going to be hard, but oh, hang on, I was recording myself. That was a newbie mistake, man. That was a newbie mistake. All right, so what do you think on the horsepower?
80, 91.
80 what?
91.
91 on the horsepower.
Yeah.
All right, and what about torque?
80 on the horsepower,
Oh,
90 on
91?
91 on torque.
Okay, so he's got 80 horsepower, 91 torque. So we got 63 horsepower, 72 torque. So sorry. There's the numbers. There's the numbers right there.
Okay.
But that's the dyno sheet. That's yours,
Okay,
man.
bud.
That's yours.
Oh man. Well, at least I get that.
Hey, it was close. Hey, it was close.
That.
Listen, that's a way better prize.
Yeah.
That's a way better
I got
prize, man.
$500 at home.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That is awesome, man.
I got $500 at home.
And I told everybody, I said, this is like one of the cleanest Springers I've seen. Isn't it,
It is,
clean?
man.
It
Yeah.
is. It looks it looks like, honestly, it came off the showroom
Yeah, it
floor.
looks like there's nothing else
I
you can put
wanted,
on
I
it.
wanted
I
the
would've,
Springer
yeah.
since the bad boys come out.
Oh, yeah, those are nice.
Man.
Yeah, those are really nice. There still are a few
I'd rather
around.
have
I've seen a couple.
I'd rather have the older ones.
Oh, yeah, yeah. There's just something special about the older ones, right?
Yeah,
It's just definitely, especially if you find something like this where it's, you know,
Yeah.
really taken care of. I picked it up with only 5,000 miles,
Yeah.
and
Oh,
right
yeah, I
now,
know.
we only got. I only put 3,300 miles on it,
Yeah.
so it's brand new.
Yeah, 82.
I mean, look at the paint; it's crazy.
82.96.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, he's gonna load it up. What did you guys rent a trailer? Or is that yours?
That's my dad.
Oh, it's your dad's. Oh, sweet.
He just bought it about a month ago.
Oh, nice.
He has a bigger one, but I commandeered that one.
Oh, yeah. Did you? So you said you got about a 10-hour ride back, right?
Yeah.
Oof. So it's, let me see. Let me shut the blinker off. Yeah, that one, and then hit that.
Yeah, the bigger trailer.
You got all LED lights.
Yeah. That's what I was telling him.
CJ.
Because I'm a junior.
Junior.
Oh, how many of you guys are there?
Just two.
Just two boys, right?
Yeah.
Oh, watch the. Yeah, you're gonna have to.
Turn it to the right.
Now you know what, CJ, come, back out. You're gonna have to just put up the kickstand. Put up the kickstand, brother. Yeah, you're gonna have to back out, start it back up, and go all the way over to the right, and then we'll lean it over on the kickstand for you. Yep, beautiful. Yeah, all strapped in, ready to go for how many miles? 500?
I ain't even sure how many miles.
Freaking almost 10 hours to get
10
here.
hours, I know. Let me go get the couple of the other things you got. There it goes, guys. Oh, yeah? They got a 10-hour ride back to North Carolina. They're close to Hickory, close to Charlotte, about an hour away from Charlotte. I'm going to hook them up with some FANATIX keychains. I gave them the title already. And just some great people. I'm really happy it's going to a great home. It's his first Harley Davidson. Oh, yeah. You need that, too. You need that, too.
It's got an alarm on it.
It does.
Dang.
Yeah.
For 03, that's
Crazy.
press
Because you know why? Because it's a 03. Yeah, you just press the button.
Uh-huh.
It's a 03 anniversary edition. Not only is it Springer, but it's anniversary edition.
Right, yeah.
So
100th
there's
anniversary.
a couple you could hand out to everybody. I'll give you a few too. Hand them out to some people you know.
Yeah.
John, thank you, buddy.
Get them to subscribe to you, we'll be doing something.
I appreciate it, man. I appreciate you. I appreciate
I love
you.
you, bro.
I love you too, man. I'm so
Man.
happy for you. I'm super happy for you, CJ.
Yes, sir,
thanks, man. Yeah. Thanks for
you,
bringing
man.
them down
Yeah,
here.
Thanks.
Yeah.
That means a lot.
Oh yeah, this is awesome. I'm really happy, and every time, like, I always hope it goes to obviously someone that deserves it. You know what I'm saying? And I'm sure you guys do. First Harley Davidson, also. That is awesome. And your brother rides. Does your dad ride?
No, he
No?
did back in the day.
Oh, he did. Okay.
Yeah, he's
All
about
right.
77 now.
Gotcha.
We older than we look.
How old? Who's older, you or me?
Me.
How old?
I'll be 57 in April.
Oh, okay. You got me. You got me by 3.
Yeah,
I'm
he's got me
53.
by 3.
How old?
52. I'll
50.
be 53
Oh,
in
okay. All right.
December.
Yeah. So I'll be 54
Red
July.
TV.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, I'll be 53
Yeah, they
in
ain't getting
December.
no more.
Oh,
The
gotcha,
beginning
gotcha.
of December.
Yeah, but I'm super happy. Like, this is your first Harley. This is what it's all about. You know what I mean? And you're really gonna enjoy it. You know what I mean? And that's a looker. Wherever you go,
Oh, yeah.
you're trust me. There's gonna be people surrounding that bike because it happened to me. And nobody will be by a new bike. Everybody's gonna be eyeing that bike up, and they're gonna be asking you a lot of questions. So thanks for
And
coming,
after the
guys.
new wears
Appreciate it.
off,
man.
I'm gonna try to buy it.
Yeah, there you go. Take it. That's your brother. That's your brother. Thanks, guys. Appreciate
Hey, man, I'm
you,
taking your
man.
bike for a ride.
You won't want to pay the price.
All right, thanks, guys. Appreciate it, man.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Goodbye.